Now we have three Punjabi celebrities on the couch. Suneet Sethi, Megha Virwani and Mani Virwani.
Hi. Thank you.
Are you ready to pour your heart out with me?
Yeah.
Kind of.
A bit nervous. My hands are cold.
Because of the AC, I think.
No. Because of the question.
Okay. Here we have an inspiring and spectacular personality, a lifesaver and a true humanity, a complete package of an ethical obligation to pursue the practice and values of care, who has a magic in her words, giving assurance who herself is a medicine. She is a renowned gynecologist. Even though a doctor by profession, she is full of other talents and I call her Queen of Expressions. So let's welcome Dr. Mani Virwani.
Thank you, Pinky. So sweet words. I really can't imagine. Do I really stand up to those words?
Of course, you deserve it. You deserve each and every word, whatever is quoted for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I would like to ask you a few questions, Mani. What's the reason behind your name? Why your parents have kept Mani?
I asked them when I was a child कि मेरा नाम मनी क्यों? Because I have an elder sister. Her name is Savan. It's a combination of my parents' name. Sa, Satish, Veena. And I also wanted कि मेरा नाम भी मम्मा पापा ने ऐसा क्यों नहीं रखा? And they were like, when you were born, we really, they were very these things. They got very strong in financial this thing. So that's how my name came up. And one thing I remember when we used to stay at our old house, there was one chota sa Sardar. His name was Mani, and I used to play with him.
Okay.
And I used to love that name a lot, Mani, Mani, Mani. But I don't know really how it came up. I don't know, when I went to school, that's how I have been named by everyone, have been called by everyone Mani.
That's so cute.
So many times it happens, like a child is born and comes up with lots of money in the family. And when your father prospers, so वो उनको लगता है कि this is a lucky child or maybe
Lakshmi exactly, that's how my husband said तेरा नाम Mani क्यों रखा? Lakshmi
रखा था. So nice, na?
And one thing more, I always used to say दीदी का नाम सावन है ना तो मेरा नाम वर्षा रख देना था. Veena and Shah Satish. It was same.
See, these are the expressions of my expression queen, which I love it. Let's move on to the next question. As you are a gynecologist, why emotions go haywire during PMS?
They do. It is all related to the hormones which are running in our body, and it goes at every stage, right? Just not in the PMS. At every stage they go, whether it's an adolescent age, whether it's a reproductive age, or whether it is a perimenopausal age. The hormones, they boil in your body when you're growing up. They're at a certain balance when you're into a reproductive age group, and when it comes to the perimenopausal late reproductive age groups, and there is subtle fluctuation in that. So that's how it comes up.
But how do you feel? How a person feels at that time?
It depends upon person to person. Like there are many those who really have those who really exaggerate their feelings at that time. There are certain people, those who feel very normal about that.
Okay.
It depends upon your personality, how you take it.
Okay.
And it has to be taken by everyone.
So everyone is not affected by it. No?
As I'm saying, it depends upon you how you're taking it.
Okay.
It is like that.
So you should know how to control your emotions.
Exactly.
Wonderful. Is it true that life is a roller coaster ride?
Yes. No doubt about it. It is roller coaster since you're born. The day a child is born, the child faces so many difficulties to come out from the mother's womb. Whether it is a normal delivery, whether it is a C-section. A child coming out faces all the roller coaster, even as a gynac. Taking that child out from the birthplace, whether it's a normal vaginal delivery or a C-section, it is again a roller coaster for us. When we hear that cry of a child, it gives a sensation of like, yeah, we have done something. It means a lot, but that feeling is really something. That a single cry for a gynecologist or for a mother, it means a lot. It is roller coaster at each and every stage of the life.
So in your life, have you experienced this roller coaster?
Every day
Every day you're on the roller coaster ride. So there are no sensations in your body now.
No. They are there,
Do you
but
feel that?
yeah, every day it's a roller coaster ride. Every day is full of struggle. Each day we are having we are facing something or the other thing, and
But then
up and downs are there in each and
then you
every.
get used to it. Yeah. Wonderful,
The thing
wonderful.
is that you should know how to take those things. It depends upon you. You take it negatively or you take it positively.
Positively, right?
Also.
Yeah. Wonderful reply, Mani. Now, on whom you believe in the most?
ऊपर वाला भगवान. Which God you mean to say?
God और person? उसके बाद भगवान जी के बाद आप किसको
My
बिलीव करते
husband.
हैं? Your husband. Why?
Because when I came to this world, हम बोलते हैं ना, भगवान की दुआ है, अल्लाह की रहमत है, एंड जब वो चीजें मुंह में आती हैं बचपन से तुम वही सुनते आते हो. बट अगर प्रैक्टिकली सोचा जाए, हम इस दुनिया में तो आ गए हैं, लाया हमको कौन है? हमारे माँ बाप लाए हैं. बट व्हेन द थिंग्स कम इन रियलिटी, किससे तुमको शेयर करना है, किससे तुमको सुनना है, या किसकी जैसा तुमको करना है, दीज थिंग्स कम विद एन एक्सपीरियंस, एंड कोई तुम्हारे पीछे रहना चाहिए. देयर शुड बी समवन एट योर बैक
Right.
who is always guiding you
True,
towards something or another.
Right.
So my husband,
So your husband is at your back every time,
Every
in
time.
every stage of your life.
every stage.
Wonderful, wonderful reply. And Mani, what message you would like to give to the audience sitting over here?
Message from my side is live life.
Apart from gynecologist.
No,
Yeah.
live life king size.
Yeah.
Yeah, king is like a
King is the most,
thing.
most powerful person.
Powerful.
Yeah. Wonderful, wonderful, Mani. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for giving a superb replies. I hope the audience who is listening to her would have been benefited from this session. Yes, Suneet.
Hi.
Hi, Suneet.
Hi.
She is a roseate soul bearing aesthetic quality, wrapped up in a human body, has an aura of clemency and buoyancy, is an epitome of masterpiece of God. She's a cushion-hearted personality who is my teddy for me. So whenever I need a hug, I call her and she comes home and gives me a hug like teddy bear. Yeah, she is none other than Suneet Sethi.
Thank you.
Yes, Suneet, I would like to ask you a few questions.
Yeah, sure.
What's the most important thing in relationship or friendship?
Trust. And after that, it will be love. Because that only bonds you with us. That only bonds you between the two people you have a relationship with.
And if the trust is broken, then you will break the relationship.
Trust is broken. Relationship में कहीं ना कहीं you have that thing. You take a step back. You are a bit careful. That way.
तो वो पहले जैसा रिलेशन नहीं रहेगा.
कहीं ना कहीं आप संभल के चलोगे. पता है कि बंदा ऐसा है तो फिर संभल के चलोगे.
और अगर वो बोले कि मुझसे गलती हो गई, if that person asks for
Then
forgiveness,
according to me, I would forgive. If it's me, I would forgive because I never take it to my heart.
it's you only. I'm asking you only.
I never take it to my heart. I always forgive the person, whoever it is, be it anybody. And I try to forget it क्योंकि मेरे को वैसे भी short term memory loss मेरी का पूरा खानदान बोलता है. Short term memory loss.
Yes, Suneet, what is your purpose in life?
Is serve humanity, and first my family, then society, and then humanity, and then with that I want to even spread love and happiness.
Super. Wonderful reply by
Thank you.
you. Yes, Suneet, tell me about something, throw some light on social media. आजकल जो लोग Facebook, Instagram और इन सब पे जो बिजी हैं, उनको लग रहा है कि नहीं, this is more important. तो मैंने आपको कभी इतना सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं देखा है. That's why I want to ask you this question. Don't you feel FOMO in your life? Like fear of missing out?
Earlier when I left it, I was there on Instagram, I was there on even on Facebook. I'm there, still there on both the media, but they are I'm not following them anymore. I was literally addicted to both of them. I was like so much into it. I used to even forget my work, what I'm doing, my household chores, and do that. So it was hindering my life somewhere or the other. So I wanted to get out of all that, and इसलिए वो switch off कर दिया and back to this. Starting में नहीं लगा मुझे कि it's good I'm going out, and there is some particular day that I'm missing something, because when my friends, my sisters भी तेरे को टैग किया है उस पे, तो मैं मतलब कई बार लगता है कि अरे यार मैं नहीं हूँ, कोई बात नहीं, doesn't matter. And like especially birthdays and anniversaries, people tag you, people even that I miss. Okay, fine, doesn't matter, it's all okay. I think there's nothing as in ki why you should be there on that.
Right, right.
It's just like grabbing the attention of people. So it's only those particular days
Yeah,
you
but
feel
those who are
that.
working on social media, they have to be on social media. No?
Because that's their job, they are earning from it.
Right.
That's their job. Now, like you have your own media, you have it. I feel it's not wrong, because you are inspiring people out there. You're helping them
But
out.
I have seen many, they are continuously on mobile, busy with their mobiles. They are continuously scrolling on phones, and that's the problem coming with their children also. So what message you would like to give the audience?
To get out from it is best to keep your mobile. वो सिंपल सादा नोकिया फोन आता है, वो खरीद लो, वो जिंदगी उससे सुधरेगी.
Best. So initially you feel like FOMO, the fear of missing out, but gradually you get adapted
It's
to
just
it
for
without
it's
phones.
just for a period of time. It's just like for an hour or something that goes off.
And even we
then-
don't have to tell our children, because if we are busy on mobile, they also learn from our actions only. If
Yeah.
we are keeping
That
our
is
mobile aside, they
absolutely
will never
correct.
use it.
Yeah.
They learn from our actions only. So this is the best message you have given to the audience. Thank you so much, Sunil.
Thank you.
Here comes our Ambroisal and Nave beauty, a physiotherapist by profession. She is so cute and bubbly and an endearing personality. Since years, she is the same neoniformic. I have seen you since years. You are same. You are not putting on an inch also. उसका राज क्या है आप बताइए. So we welcome Megha Virwani. First, you have to tell the secret of staying young.
मेरा कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है. मेरा जो रूम है वो 3rd फ्लोर पे है और किचन जो है 2nd फ्लोर पे है. मैं सारा दिन ऊपर नीचे सीढ़ियाँ
Oh,
करती
wow.
रहती हूँ.
This is
बस
the
दैट
best.
इज द सीक्रेट. और
तो
कुछ
हमको
सीक्रेट
कोई
नहीं
जिम
है.
जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. दिस इज द
That is
बेस्ट
my पूरा
एक्सरसाइज.
दिन का वर्कआउट एंड माय किड्स दे कीप मी ऑन माय टोज द होल डे. सिर्फ जब वो स्कूल में रहते हैं तब मुझे आराम रहता है थोड़ा. अदरवाइज आई एम जस्ट ऑन माय टोज.
So this is the secret behind your beauty.
Yes, she knows
Wonderful.
that.
Yeah. Wonderful. Which is the best investment?
I think time is the best investment that you can give anyone, according to me.
What is your greatest accomplishment?
My greatest accomplishment up till now, I think, is just my kids. उसके बाद अभी तक मैंने कुछ ऐसा ह्यूज अचीव नहीं किया है.
This
But
is
I
a
think my
wonderful answer
kids.
you have given.
Yes.
क्योंकि मुझे भी जब बोलते हैं लोग ये आपका अचीवमेंट क्या है, जब आपका बच्चा बोलता नहीं है और हम उनके पीछे मेहनत करते हैं, और जब वो बोलना सीखता है, जब वो चलना सीखता है, दैट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट अचीवमेंट इन
Yes.
लाइफ.
I think ये
Not always about our career.
राइट. मेरा ऐसा सोचना है कि दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन आवर किड्स नीड अस द मोस्ट. एक बार वो बड़े हो जाएंगे, वो हम हमारे पास
This
भी
time will never
आके
come back,
बैठेंगे.
yeah.
फिर हम तरसेंगे कि वो हमारे पास आके बैठे, हमारे से बात करें.
True.
तो दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन दे नीड अस द मोस्ट. किसी और से द पेरेंट्स दे नीड द मोस्ट. सो आई थिंक
This is the best advice from a younger generation over here.
for me my kids are my priority.
Yeah. Wonderful reply by you. Can you give us a wisdom shot over here? The audience sitting over here.
आई थिंक मेरे से ज्यादा वाइज लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ पर, तो
Okay.
आई कैन नॉट गिव अ विजडम शॉट. बट द ओनली थिंग आई कैन से इज जस्ट फॉलो योर हार्ट.
Wonderful. Superb. Thank you so much, Megha, Mani, and Suneet, for being here and pouring your heart out with me and sitting on the couch.
Being here.
Now we will have a round of say it or strip it. I'll be asking you questions. If you are unable to answer it, you have to strip it off. And if you can say it out, that's the best. All Punjabi kudis sitting on the couch. है ना. अब वो बल्ले बल्ले करेंगे थोड़ी देर में. अब हम आपसे तीनों से कुछ पंजाब के बारे में पूछेंगे, आपके कल्चर के बारे में पूछेंगे. So first ritual of Punjabi wedding.
चूड़ी फंक्शन. चूड़ी सेरेमनी.
सगन, टीका सेरेमनी होता है.
रोका, जो आपने टीका बोला, हाँ वही पंजाबी वेडिंग. What are the 5 Ks 6 must carry?
केस, कंघी, कृपान, कच्छा,
and tadaka.
How do you greet a Punjabi?
सत श्री अकाल.
What is a master book by the teacher called in Punjabi?
Guru Granth Sahib Ji.
Wonderful. Braided accessory of Punjabis.
Paranda.
Parandi. And what do you wear generally? Saris or shalwar?
सलवार सूट. पंजाबी सलवार सूट.
और सलवार
Patiala salwar.
फुलकारी.
और शूज को क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग?
जुजरी.
कुरमाई
सगाई.
कुरमाई हाँ सगाई. और शादी के टाइम पे आप लोग कुछ पहनते हैं?
कलीरे.
Why do Punjabis put oil on the door?
It's
Shaghan, it is a kind of a
yeah,
shaghan. It's like a positive vibe. कि तुम अपने हमारे यहाँ आ रहे हो. It's like you're welcome to the family.
Couple is invited by the bride's family is called
फेरा.
couple. Yeah, फेरा.
शादी के बाद पहली बार.
पग फेरा.
पग फेरा.
Scrolling.
Scrolling excessively of internet.
नहीं, but what? Doom means what?
उसमें डूब जाना, आसपास का क्या हो रहा है वो कुछ पता नहीं.
Doom scrolling means आपको negative news पढ़ने की आदत.
अच्छा.
Doom scrolling. Dooming means
Okay.
in a sad mood,
Right.
negative news ऐसा. Doom scrolling is that. तो किसी किसी को आदत होती है अपनी स्टार्टिंग ही नेगेटिविटी से स्टार्ट करता है. किसी को न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने की आदत है ना, आज ये गया आज वो गया, तो वो होता है. तो वैसे मोबाइल में भी लोगों को आदत होती है कि पहले उठ के हम न्यूज़ देखें, वो डूम स्क्रॉलिंग होता है. Are you comfortable in your own skin?
Yes.
All three are comfortable. Should we pretend to know even when we don't?
No.
No. That's the best. That's the wrong thing, in fact.
Is having problems bad?
No.
No.
You learn from your problems.
Do you make excuses?
Yes, sometimes.
What is claustrophobia?
Fear of closed spaces.
And what is the opposite of that? If you are unable to answer, please strip it off.
Fear of heights.
Opposite. Closed and open to agoraphobia.
अच्छा.
Good word.
Flats or heels?
Flats.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Wine or chocolate?
Chocolate.
You like to take a bubble bath or walk in nature?
Walk in nature.
Bubble bath.
In fact, both.
Walk in nature
And then bubble bath.
What is the funniest prank you have done?
Never pranked
I've never done any prank as such.
किसी को उल्लू उल्लू बनाया होगा.
बहुत नहीं याद है. Recent में कुछ याद नहीं है.
Well, तीनों का strip off हो गया. Who do you think about before you fall asleep?
Think about my next day's plan. What I have to do. That is the thing.
सुबह टिफिन क्या देना है बच्चों को?
If you could teleport right now, where would you go?
Switzerland. Europe.
What
नहीं,
is-
सबसे पहले कश्मीर.
Okay.
I want to go once again.
So our today's winner of Sit or Strip It round is Dr. Mani Virwani. Congratulations, Mani. And a small token of love for you, Megha. And a small token of love for you, Suneet. Congratulations. Thank you so much for being here and sitting on the couch and pouring your heart out.